Hello bachcho, let us read the question. Write the conditions on path difference under which constructive and destructive interference occurred in Young double slit experiment. Okay, so Young double slit experiment में कब constructive और destructive interference होता है, हमें इसकी conditions लिखनी है. So to solve this question, first of all we will see the key concept of the question. So की concept क्वेश्चन का क्या होगा कि क्या होता है कंस्ट्रक्टिव और डिस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस मेनली. So this is the phenomena. This is the phenomena that occurred when that occur at a condition when two waves traveling in same direction overlap and aligned at the same point. Aligned at same point at same time. This is called the phenomena of constructive or destructive interference. Okay, so this is the key concept of the question. Now come to the question. अब हमारे पास क्वेश्चन में हमें बोला गया है कि हमें कंडीशंस बतानी है कंस्ट्रक्टिव और डिस्ट्रक्टिव की क्या होती है. सो कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस, इसमें क्या होता है कि जब हमारे पास दो वेव्स ओवरलैप करती हैं और दोनों हमारे पास क्रस्ट टू क्रस्ट और ट्रफ टू ट्रफ ओवरलैप करती हैं तो तब होता है कंस्ट्रक्टिव इंटरफेरेंस. ओके, सो इसकी कंडीशंस क्या होती है कि इसमें जो पाथ डिफरेंस होता है, पाथ डिफरेंस इन दिस वेव, दैट मीन्स डेल एक्स मस्ट बी integral multiple of wavelength. Integral multiple of wavelength. That means del x is equal to n lambda, where n is equal to 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 up to so on. Okay, so this is the constructive interference condition. And what is destructive interference condition? Destructive interference, the condition of this is that the path difference between the two waves, that means del x, must be an odd multiple of half of wavelength of light. Okay, that means जो del x होता है that is equal to 2n minus 1 multiply by lambda divided by 2, where lambda is equal to n is equal to plus minus 1 plus minus 2 and up to so on. Okay, इसमें जीरो नहीं होता. So these are the conditions of constructive and destructive interference. This is the condition of constructive interference. So this is the answer of the question, and this is also the answer of the question. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.